So the first stage of disease is accumulation. What I'm going to go into is I'm going to go into now the 6 stages of disease. Yeah? So there's 6 stages of disease that we can see where we're at in terms of the stages of disease and see how in tune we are with ourselves, to see how connected we are with ourselves and what's happening within our bodies on a physical point of view. These examples for all the different energies and the stages of disease and actually what the diseases are. Yeah, but I'll only have time to go through radiant energy today. So the first stage of disease is accumulation. So we have in our body, we have these 5 energies, and if these 5 energies are balanced and where they're meant to be in the body, yeah, our body functions properly, we function properly, we're clear, we're clarity, we don't have stress or any, dysfunction happening in our body or in our life, yeah. But then what happens, and as I said, I'm focusing on radiant energy. So the seat of radiant energy, if we look at radiant energy as the element of fire, is in the liver, yeah. So I'm going to use that as the example. So we've got a certain amount of radiant energy in our liver, and that's what enables us to function properly and normally. But then what happens is too much of that radiant energy starts to accumulate in the liver. And a sign of that accumulation is when we start to become frustrated. So that's phase 1. When we're in stage 1 of disease, we're still fully in tune with ourselves. We know what's happening with our body. We can go, yep, that's my body. This is what's happening. This is what I need to do to resolve it.